Dear Unc, I'm writing in because I finally had to. Because I've had it with all the talk about the good old days and had it with the sitting around wishing for a time that's never coming back. Those good jobs that we once had where only one paycheck could actually raise a whole family, well, those are gone now. And no amount of wishing or daydreaming or lies from some politician is going to ever bring them back. It's not happening. So enough with the daydreaming. Time moves forward, not backwards. And the world isn't going to wait for you, me, or anybody else. And the country that we knew 20, 30 years ago and grew up in, that's gone forever also. I wasted many years of my life hoping things would swing back around, that hard work and loyalty would once again count for something. But as it turns out, none of that even matters now. Because in today's world, if you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. I see way too many guys like us stuck in neutral, complaining about how things are or how they used to be. And I get it. I was right there too, angry, bitter, and watching everything I knew slip away while I kept telling myself it'd somehow get better. But it didn't. The only thing that happens is you get left further and further behind while everyone else figures it out and the world moves on without you. And here's the honest, hard truth. Nobody's coming to save you. You are responsible for you. Now, it's okay to miss the old days all you want, but missing them won't bring them back. And the world's not slowing down for any of us. And it sure as hell isn't going to put itself into reverse. You either adapt or you get left behind. That's it. No more excuses, no more blaming the system, and no more waiting for a miracle that's not coming. You want to survive in today's world? You learn to adapt and change. You swallow your pride, you learn something new, and you do whatever it takes. But that's what real men have always done. Or you can choose to become obsolete, a living relic. And I'm not saying this because I've got it all figured out. I don't. I'm saying it because I finally woke up and I'm sick of watching good men sleepwalk into oblivion. I've decided to move forward, even if it's ugly, even if it's slow, even if it's uncomfortable, which change usually is, because moving forward is all that's left for us now. Don't waste another second thinking the past is somehow magically coming back, because it's not. All we've got is what we choose to do next. Sign from one of us who finally woke up. Buddy, thank you for your letter, whoever you are. I appreciate it. I don't really think that there's too much that I can add to that. It's pretty self-explanatory if you ask me. I mean, we all know we have a choice to make. We can continue to try to cling to the old ways and end up like the horse and buggy, or we could try to find a new path to where we're trying to go. And I'm like him. I don't pretend to have all the answers. I don't pretend to have it figured out. I struggle with this all the time. But maybe you do. Maybe some of you have some ideas or comments or suggestions or thoughts. Drop them down in the comments, And let's work together to try to solve this dilemma. If we don't solve it, let's at least try to come up with some solutions to help each other. Because this is a problem that isn't going away, people. And at some point, each and every one of us is going to have to deal with it. And that's just the reality of that. The world is moving forward with us or without us. No doubt about that. The choice is yours, so I choose wisely. That's all I can say. I can just remember being a much younger man and people always asking me, what are you going to do with your life? What do you want to do for a living? And at that time, I didn't know. I'm a kid. You don't know much about the world. But now I'm not a kid, and I do know a lot about the world, or at least I thought I did. But it's almost like we're being asked to decide that all over again. It's funny, man, because I didn't have a clue then. I don't have a clue now. All I can say is take your time, what's my wife always say? Plan your work and work your plan. You know, we gotta. There's got to be a way out of this. I agree with what the submission guy, the guy who submitted the letter said. There's no going back. There's no trap door. There's no safety net. We're out here. We got to do whatever we have to do to move forward and provide and take care of ourselves and our families. But as always, I'm Unc. You know, you guys take care of yourself and each other. I'll see you guys in the next one.